Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, other safety related videos, and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the video. A little housekeeping before we get started. There's some guys working out here in the shop, but due to time constraints, I really got to get started on this video. So if you hear some bangs and booms back there, please forgive me for the poor audio. Also, this next few weeks, we'll be talking about fall protection. Different types of fall protection for equipment, personal fall protection equipment, anchor points, so on and so forth. But let's go ahead and get started with this video on fall protection. Fall protection. Without fall protection, a fall from a scaffold, catwalk, or other temporary work surface can be extremely painful or even deadly. OSHA statistics continue to show that falls are the leading cause of death among construction workers. You can prevent falls from heights by making sure, number one, you understand fall protection requirements. Number two, learn what kinds of fall protection are available to you. Number three, know how each component of your fall protection gear works. And number four, know without a doubt where you can safely tie off or anchor. Prevent falls before you start to work. If your work includes a task that requires you to work at heights on a temporary work surface, it's up to you to protect yourself from a deadly fall. It may feel like a waste of time to install a substantial guardrail on a temporary work surface, but it's time well spent if it prevents you from falling to your death. Remember that scaffolds 10 feet or higher require a guardrail, mid-rail, and toe board. When you work on a catwalk, your best bet is probably to use a personal fall arrest system, including a body harness, a lanyard, and an appropriate anchor point. Tie off or die off. When you use a personal fall arrest system, you need to identify a safe place where you can tie off or anchor to. Be sure the anchor point is strong enough to secure you and that it meets the requirements of OSHA standards. There's no point in wearing a fall arrest system if you're not tied off. Every fall protection plan should also include a rescue plan for workers who have fallen and are suspended in a personal fall arrest system. The rescue plan needs to both ensure a quick rescue and maintain the safety of all rescuers. Consider these safe work practices before you climb up onto any elevated work surface. Get the training you need. If your work exposes you to a fall hazard, make sure you've received fall prevention training before you climb up to your work area. If you have not been trained, notify your supervisor. Inspect every component of your fall arrest system for broken, cracked, frayed, or defective parts. Never use any damaged or defective parts. Never work on a scaffold or other temporary work surface that is covered with mud, ice, snow, or other slippery materials. And do not work on temporary work surfaces during high winds or in stormy conditions. Make sure you are protected by a guardrail system, safety net system, or a personal fall arrest system every time you are on a walking or working surface that is 6 feet or more above the ground or a lower level. Now, it's just not the falls that kill construction workers. If you will be working below a scaffold or other temporary work surface, make sure you always wear your hard hat. Falling objects, even fairly small ones, can cause fatal struck-by injuries. As a safety reminder, keep temporary work surfaces clean, dry, and free of clutter to prevent slips, trips, and falls. Alright boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field. All right, let's get this party started. End recording. I hope that turned out well. Thanks for watching.